guys. So we are finally after I think 4 or 5 years, finally we are in the same place to be filming the video. Because
Thank you for inviting me.
Okay, so about how we met, and it's a very large, illustrated and very drama story about how we met and how we became best friends. So let's start. You wanna start how we met?
No, I don't remember. I do remember.
Okay. So basically, I think we should say the first time we met, in class 4.
Yeah, plus
That was the first time.
I was talking about our class.
I was the class monitor, and she joined the school just so. The teacher told me sit her in somewhere, so I did, and she said,
পিছনে বল না
আমি ছোট মোটস anyway
আমি লাস্ট বেঞ্চে বসেছিলাম
হ্যাঁ আগের বেঞ্চে আমরা ছিলাম আর we were playing something and then you guys also joined us something না কিছু একটা
হ্যাঁ like damsharas or something you guys
yeah and so she and Abida, my other friend, both came and we were playing, I think. And then she was wearing a green jacket, and that time my best friend Monoshrija used to call you
I think
Greeny.
No, your best friend was Devon.
No, Devon is friendship chilo na tokon. No, not friendship chilo na, but
yeah. Greeny. She called me Greeny, right?
No, the thing is that I had so many best friends in a small period of time. Na, so Devon was my best friend in school and stuff, but in home, obviously, Mono was my best friend. Anyway, Mono, if you're watching this, hi.
Hi, Mono.
Okay, so I feel like everyone's gonna watch this video because everyone wants to know how we met.
Everyone knows that.
Because no one knows. Because no one expected this friendship to happen, so it happened. It happened, bitch. Okay, so then what happened? Oh, then we don't used to talk at all. Then in class 5 we never talked. Entire year I don't even
know
like
she
her.
exists.
Me too. I never saw her in the class. Anyway, the class 5 happened. Class 5. Then class 6 happened, and we still don't used to talk. We used to kind of hate each other.
No, not hate. We used to sit. You used to sit before me, and we used to go to library together because we have to go in a queue.
And we are very different person. We are still she's completely different. I'm completely different.
Yeah, she used to hate me. I used to not hate.
I don't used to hate her. I used to find you very annoying and
I also do. She's just way too funny, and she used to dance like a funny girl.
Yeah,
it was cool, man.
Anyways,
I liked it. But
anyways, so then in class 6, the biggest thing happened. So it was our school excursion to Indian Museum, and then basically the 4 girls were left. Me, her, Vishakha, and Srishti. 4 are friends, and she's friends with Vishakha, and I'm friends with
Vishakha was
Srishti.
my best friend, and Srishti was her best friend.
Okay, so we were standing in the line. 4 of us were just left for the bus actually the bus was full, so we had to go in other bus. There were 2 buses, and then trust me, we were standing Srishti, me, Vishakha, and you.
Yeah.
We were not even standing next to each other. Then suddenly, out of nowhere, Rupa Miss came, and she's picked us and picked them together, even grab করে মধ্যে আমরা
কি হচ্ছে বাবা কেন আলাদা করে
I don't know with her. I think she did it intentionally so that we don't talk much or
exactly.
don't
see what happened.
And then we said, I was very annoyed, why man, why am I with her? And then anyways, that was one of the best memories of my life. And then she was so annoying, but the annoying thing started to actually enjoying the annoying thing because there was no one in the bus. I think আমরা কোনো বাচ্চাদের বাস আনতে তুলে দিয়েছিল।
আমরা বাচ্চাদের বাসে তুলে ওদের সামনে সিট দিয়েছিল, so we were detached from everyone.
Yes, but detached, so we had to talk with each other. So
no, she didn't talk first.
Yes, I didn't talk. I was কি বলবো?
She was looking out the window.
And then
আমাকে বলল যে আমাকে উইন্ডো সিটে বসতে দিবি, তুই আমাকে জ্বালাবি।
No, জ্বালাবি না বলে, আমি বললাম যাওয়ার সময় একজন বসে ফেরার সময় একজন। Anyway, so she then started when we entered the city, she started pointing everything this is that.
No, and before that I initiated a talk. I remember what I said. Good. I was talking about laptops. Yeah, I just asked her, bro, do you like Lenovo laptops? And she's like,
এক্স্যাক্টলি ওনা ভীষণ অড টপিকসে কথা বলতে হঠাৎ করে ওর মনে হয় এই টপিক থেকে ওই টপিকে চলে যাবো। এনিওয়েজ, তো এরকম একটা ডায়েরি ছিল আমার কাছে, একটা ছবি আছে, আমি পুট ইট ওয়ান
small pocket diary.
and she was like writing everything like this girl is annoying, not about me.
Yeah, my
like,
mom actually gave me the diary to write about my day.
To journal the day.
Yeah.
And she was writing ki the food was not good. We are eating the food at the bus.
Here I'm seeing
we have arrived
and something.
we just crossed this section. It's just we are in the bus.
I was blogging. No, blogging.
Blogging,
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah.
Even before blogging, I think invented you started blogging.
Yes.
And she still has the diary, and it's so funny now reading because we should write it like, oh my god. Anyway, so it was so funny. Then we actually reached Indian Museum. I still have the picture of Indian Museum. I'm gonna put it right over here. And then we just detached.
Yeah,
like I went to meet with my best friend and she went to meet with her best friend. We were like, oh my god, finally. And then we were with each other, but then we had to like come back in the same bus again. So then we again came back, but
no, we actually had to roam around together because we were on the same bus. So we have to like.
So even though we were talking, even though we were talking with our best friends, we were still with like each other. But then we got in the bus again to come back home. We had biryani.
Yeah.
And then we found out that we love biryani both. And we were talking. I think Firashama, it was not that awkward. It was like it got a little more friendly.
And even Firashama, I took abar jana thara gusto
half possible that you are chala tha. That was such a good friend. So then, but there was like nothing best friendship that was happening because we were like having fun. Nothing like oh my gosh, she's my best friend. But
like she was constantly laughing. I was saying stuff. It was at all not funny sometimes, but she was laughing.
Exactly. And I don't know. I just like people when they can make me laugh. I feel like those are the good people that you should keep in your life. Yeah. Okay. So then we just started then in school we just like normally কথা বলতাম, like there was nothing like extraordinary about it. মানে আমরা গল্প করতাম ভালোই আড্ডা মারতাম। Anyways, তারপরে class 7 এ তো 7 এতে yes আমরা পাঠাতে বসতাম।
Yeah,
that is the best
for like
thing.
months.
For months the teacher sat us next to each other and oh my god, it was the best thing. Like there was a window and like boarding class গুলোতে আমরা বাইরে তাকিয়ে থাকতাম হ্যাঁ করে কখন বাড়ি যাবো মনে করে like it was the best thing. Like I think it was like 4-5 months ago
board এ লিখছিল যে কারা কারা পাশাপাশি বসবে and I saw ki you were like 18 and I was 27 I guess.
No, special 26.
26, right?
Her roll number was 26 and she used to call us a special 26.
So I saw that 26, 18. And she was like sitting.
I was above right there, and she was.
Yeah, she was like in the first bench or second bench. And I was the last.
I just like looked at her. Dude, finally, I thank him because no one. And so actually, ওইজনে বসেছিল যাদেরকে তারা actually কথা বলে না or like মানে অতটা ইয়ে না, but he didn't knew कि already like we are like on another level. So anyway, we sat for like 4-5 months on our পাশাপাশি বসেছিলাম. It was good. It was very good.
No, it was not good. I used to kick you most of the day and you were like start crying and then I used to like damage control. She used to kick me every time I get my period. Every time I get my period, I used to get a kick from her. Anyways, it's in the past when she does it still. Very rare because we don't meet each other every single day. Anyways, so it was like normal things. Then in class 8, it was a good fight. I'm telling the story.
Wait, in class 8 we had a huge fight and I think it is a huge length of fight in a history of friendship. We had a fight for more than 1 year and yeah, you're gonna say why we fought.
Okay, I'm telling that stupid reason. Let's not dig deep. So like I was playing with Bhumishota. চকের বক্স না একটা কিছু একটা ডাস্টারের বক্স ছিল ওটাকে আমি ক্যাচ খেয়েছিলাম ওটা মাথায় এসে লেগেছিল হ্যাঁ আর আমি এরকম ছুঁড়েছি ভূমিষ্ঠতা বসে পড়েছে আর ওইখানে কুসুমিতা ছিল
আমি একটা যে সিরিয়াস কথা
মাথায় লাগলো
and it was so bad like প্রচন্ড লেগেছিল ওটা মাথায় দেওয়ার আমি like পুরো now I think I overrated but it was a good reaction like ওরকম সব হ্যাঁ হয়তো ঝগড়াও তো করা উচিত ছিল না but রেগে যাওয়াটা ঠিকই ছিল so I like প্রচন্ড রেগেছি আমি like ইয়ে সবসময় কেন ওকে মারে আমি like বাড়িতে থেকে দেখে বলছি কেন মারে
আমি ইচ্ছা করে মারি but এটা
এখনো বলে কি হবে স্যার আরে মানে ইটস ওকে লাইক ফাস্ট হতেই পারে যাই হোক তো দেন a lot things happen. মানে ওটার থেকে মানে then I was best friend with someone and we like a lot of drama happened. We both started hating each other. We don't used to talk. WhatsApp তখন ছিল না, যে WhatsApp ছিল parents এর WhatsApp, and I think we blocked each other or something. না কিছু রিপ্লাই করতাম না কখনো।
তখন WhatsApp এত ভালো করে স্টার্টিং হয়নি।
স্কুলে তো I completely used to avoid her. I started meeting with like seniors and stuff like. I used to stare at her. I was like, look, she's gonna come and she used to come and say like, okay, let's talk, but she never came. So I was like, I'm not going.
I mean, we had a mediator like Bhumishudha. I used to talk to her about her.
And
she used to talk to her.
Which we later realized kind of like went to shit. And Bhumishudha, it's okay. Move on. You know exactly what you did. Exactly. So then I was best friends with Monoshruta. So I was like so much happy with her. We were both hating each other. She doesn't even know what happened.
Yeah.
She came. She said she insulted you. I hate her too.
No, she told me a bad thing and she sent it to my dad, not me.
She insulted her in a very bad way. And then we were like, yeah, and she's like, dude, I insulted her. And we were like, but then after like 1 year, the fight went and we don't used to talk with each other. Then class 9, I think she sent me a poop picture. Like,
it was a mistake. It was a mistake.
Okay, anyway, so when God wanted us to talk, then I told her ki tod potty. And then you replied, onek potty replied ki na tod. And then normal conversation, then we had like big conversations in there. Obviously I have a chat history with Papa phone and purono. Then we had big conversation like exactly what happened, and I was like, you know what, let's forget and let's start talking.
We actually talked one day very long, and we decided ki let's get friends together.
But it was very awkward because
next day we went to school,
but
and
I couldn't talk with her. She was sitting in the first bench. I saw her. She saw me, and I just went in a different.
Put her back on the bench and look at me and like.
I'm in a bus. I just went straight to the bathroom and I'm like, I can't talk to her. Like, how am I supposed to talk to her? It was so awkward. Trust me, breakups in friendship hurt so much more than breakups in like relationship. Like, no judgment, but it was for me. And it was so bad. Like, I was like home and I was like, why is it so awkward? Because we couldn't be the same the person because we fought. And then finally we started talking somehow. One day Mono came to me and she said, তুই কথা বলতে স্টার্ট করে দিয়েছিস আর আমায় বলিস না, আমি বেকার ঝগড়া করে আসতে হচ্ছে না। I'm like, okay, sorry, you can talk. And then okay, so ওখান থেকে ওর সাথে আমার ফ্রেন্ডশিপ আস্তে আস্তে লাইক অনেক কিছু হওয়ার পর ওর সাথে আমার ফ্রেন্ডশিপ নষ্ট হয়ে যায়। Anyways, we still talk but we're not best friends. But anyways, তো তারপর we should talk. পুরো ক্লাস 9টাই awkward ছিল. It was not friendly at all. And then class 10 এতেও মোটামুটি মানে
actually we used to do only the routine thing like আমরা মিউজিক ক্লাসে একসাথে বসতাম।
Yes, আমরা এরকম করেই বসতাম। আমি রাইটে বসতাম আর লেফটে বসতাম। খালি ওই একটা দিনে ক্লাস 10 এতে আমাদের দেখা হলো।
And we used to wait কি we had to sit together
because আমার এই পাশে সৃষ্টি বসতো আর ওই পাশে বিশাখা কে বসতো, সৃজনী বসতো। হ্যাঁ, স্যার আমরা মাঝে বসছি, দ্যাট ম্যাটার। পাশে কে বসছে so it was like so awkward and আমি like ক্লাসের মাঝে মাঝে উঠে মানে ও আলাদা রোতে বসতে চাইতেছে, get up and go to her row and অনেকগুলো ক্লাস আমি ওর পাশে বসে ক্লাসগুলো করে দিতাম, তাতে অনেক ড্রামা ক্রিয়েট হতো আমাদের তখনের ফ্রেন্ডসের সাথে। but I still didn't give a fuck because I wanted to keep the friendship going on. And I still have Facebook memories. I still send her I used to post things and tag her as my best friend, although I didn't have a best friend.
Her best friend, tag yes. Best friend.
And she was not my best friend now that I think, but I don't know why I should tag her as my best friend because maybe somewhere I knew that she could be my best friend. I don't know. But then after boards, we were like completely detached. Like